Hello guys, welcome back to Trio Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Android phone is not charging or you're having charging issues and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is make sure that while you are charging you have to connect your phone as well as charger very properly. If it is not connected properly, you will be having some kind of trouble. So you have to charge very properly while you are getting while you are trying to charge your device. This is the first step what you have to do. Moving on to the next second step is all about you just have to make sure yourself that your charging port is very clear, which means it is good enough, like it's not of any kind of dirts. Most probably after if you purchased your phone and it's been around 2 years, then most probably they'll be having a lot of dirts on your charging port. So you have to make sure yourself that it is completely cleaned or the dirts are completely taken away. This is what you have to do. So you can do that by just using a needle, and that is possible. And moving on to the third solution is all about you just have to change your charging cable. This is the third solution which you have to try out. You have to use an alternative charging cable and see whether the issue is with your charging cable or not with your devices. To make sure yourself, you just have to use an alternative charger and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. So guys, the fourth one is all about you just have to do a force restart, and this is very basic one. Some cases in both on Android as well as on your PCs, doing a force restart can fix a lot of issues. And the last one is all about you just have to meet an expert and talk to him. This is what you have to do. These are the basic steps which you have to try when your Android phone is not charging or you're having any kind of troubles in charging. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.